What up, YouTube, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video, you know what I'm saying? Another C20 special for you guys, you know what I'm saying? This time, we're about to go check on the C20. Supposedly, he's been doing some body work to it. So we're really gonna see what he's been, you know, cracking away at. And prepping it for a wrap, actually. We're actually wrapping the C20 like we did my E36 in the earlier videos. So, hit the subscribe button, like it, turn on the post notifications so you guys can continue to see the progress on all this stuff. And stay tuned for the video. Alright, man, let's get into it. Alright, we made it to Juan's house. Freaking, here's the bodywork on the truck. You know, he's Bondo. He has to obviously smooth everything out for the most part. But over here, freaking, my guy welded up these fenders over here. Because, well, it had rust at the bottom, right? Where's it at? Oh. Over here, have freaking the rusted part, you know. So, that's no bueno. So, he welded up the new panel there. With the new, well, old fender, but new panel. And then on the other side over here, dang, that 350 looks good in there. Oh, where's the other one?
Oh, it's right here.
Let's show them the other one. And then this is the other panel. Like, basically, he just cuts. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
So basically, he just cuts this and then basically welds in this new piece that's not rusted and all good to go. And it should be good to wrap. Well, obviously, you got to smooth this, you know, the welds all over with like this. But should be good to go after that. And then, obviously, what you got to do for the truck? What, sand it?
Yeah, I have to sand it. I haven't sanded it yet.
Sand it, and then, like,
I'm working on the fenders all day today.
and then what, primer, right?
Primer, yeah.
Primer, and then it gets wrapped. Dang, should we tell them the color?
No, not yet.
Not yet? All right. Sorry, guys, you guys got to wait for the color. Stay tuned for the video, man. Hit the subscribe button. Another thing I want to note is that kind of like you guys might want to stay tuned for this video, because after this wrap goes down, the bed is going down. And after the bed, I believe interior, I want to say. So you guys might want to subscribe and hit the post notification bell for this one. Might throw the lowering springs back in the rear too. Not sure yet. That's still debatable. Or bags. Maybe. Possibly. So stay tuned, guys.